we go. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we finally got the car out to the quarter mile. I know a lot of you guys have been seeing us run the 1/8 mile, kind of trying to figure out exactly what that computes to in the quarter mile. You're going to find out in this video. However, if you've been following the transition of the car throughout the pulleys, keeping up with what we ran, you know that as it's been heating up, the car's been slowing down a little bit. However, Daryl and I was looking, mostly Daryl, was looking at the log, and we noticed that when I launched the car, we were down in the timing. So he was going to kind of bump that up, but he noticed that we were in the timing maps we were in was for the IMRC. So he suggested to go ahead and get rid of the IMRC so we can get it into the other maps a little faster. And we're talking, guys, we're not talking much time, but we're talking about trying to improve our 60 foot. So going from a 160 to a 1460 foot is talking 0.2 of a second. So the faster we can get that timing up, the better we are. So he suggested to go ahead and get the IMRCs out. So the very first run you're going to see in this video is of us, the old tune with the IMRCs in, and then we jump forward 1 week. We're back at the drag strip and we're running with the IMRCs out on the same tune, but with the IMRCs out to see what it would run. And then we have more timing being pumped in with a little more aggressive tune, and that you will actually see at the quarter mile. Now, keep in mind, guys, my first quarter mile run is not my fastest, so watch the whole video all the way through, and then I'll catch you guys at the very end. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I almost got him. He red lit me, and I still almost got him. I don't expect it to drop too much. Yeah, 160, 640 at 115, so it's just hot out, guys. Did he red light me again? We're gonna see what I did on this one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
626 at 116 with a 15360. Guys, it is 2800 DA. So full disclosure, we got rid of something, and I'm gonna go over it here in just a second, guys. All right, guys, we are still on the 100mm pulley. As you can see right there, 100mm pulley. We did lock out the IMRCs out and left the tune the exact same that I've been running. We just locked the IMRCs out. We wasn't seeing as high enough timing down low as we wanted to see, so when we locked the IMRCs out, we actually got that. And then now we're gonna run a little more aggressive timing down low, and we're gonna see what we can get this car to run. Like I said, I'm very impressed with it. We've already almost achieved our personal best pass that we had with the 105 at a 624, and almost between 900 and 1000 DA, and we're at 2800 DA. So very impressed. In case anybody's wondering, this car is 100% full weight. I will even take you to the trunk and I will show you in the trunk. There are tools, there are pulleys, nothing siding, just bigger pulleys, but we're not gonna be putting those on. Got everything in the car. So 100% full weight car, stock drive shaft, stock axle back, stock suspension, stock brakes. Like, the car is full weight. We got a goal in mind. If we hit that goal, I was hoping to hit it in fall, but if we hit that goal in the heat, even better. I'm not going to talk about the goal. If I hit the goal, you guys will know when I hit the goal. All right, guys, we're going to make our first pass in the quarter. we go. Don't know what I did. We'll see if we ran as good as the time we did at the 8th mile last time we was there, which was last night.
All right, tower just called down and said tell you need to find a jacket.
I got one in my back seat.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we went a 972 at 145 with a 150/60 and a 632. So I was up and down a little mile per hour, but let's see what we did that pass. See, we picked up, we went slower. I'm trying different things tonight, so we're not nowhere near going after anything kind of gory. Pass. Alright. Alright, we get 958 at 146. I was testing something out. I had it in drive and then I had it in sport, both in drag mode. And as you can see, that did it. We got our 622, guys. That's my best pass, 622 and 958. So but yeah, the 622 is my fastest in the 8th mile. So we did it, guys. Yeah. All right, we might get a couple more passes in for the end of the night, see if we can go a little faster. Yeah, they made me put on my fire jacket. I have one. I keep in the car at all time in case the track makes me do it, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the track doesn't make me do it. I kind of don't do it. I know I should, but that was good. That was a good pass. I'm happy with that. That was a lot better. So drive and drag mode is a no-go. Drag mode and sport is my fastest. So I was just testing everything out, testing different things out. So we're gonna let it cool down. We'll see if maybe we can get a little better pass, but mid 9 seconds is what I was going after, especially midsummer. So I was happy with that. There we go. Whew, that felt good. We'll see what we did. That's pretty much going to be the last pass of the night. They close at 10 and it's 9:47. So we'll see what we did. We either slowed down or we ran the same. Thank you, sir. 9:55. So there you go. So 6:21. So we went a little faster. There you go. 148.60 foot. There we go. Man, she's getting there, guys. 147, 130, 116.7, 621. So we backed up our run. We went a little bit faster. So there you go. Very, very pleased, guys. Shout out to Wengerd Performance, guys. He does a phenomenal job tuning this car. You know, just a couple weeks ago, we were running 640 in the 8 and similar air, and because of the heat, and I mean, he did a little tweaking and we picked back up. So I'm really interested to see what it's going to do in good air come fall. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And we're taking this car as far as we can on as much stock stuff as we can. We're going to be upgrading as time goes on. But as long as we're on a good prep track, that stock suspension is actually holding up. So it's good to go. I'm very, very pleased. All right, so as you can see, guys, the new tuning helped out a lot to get me out of the hole. We dropped all the way down to a 148 60 foot. It let us go a 955 in our personal 8th mile pass, which was a 621 at the same mile per hour I've been running on 116 mile per hour. So that shows you what a little bit of 60 foot can do to help you out, guys. I will say this, if you're drag racing, the converter's the way to go, because my car absolutely moves out now. Like you see in the video, 955 at 147 mile per hour. That's in the middle of summer. Now the DA was, I think the DA was like 2,300 and something, almost 2,400. But that's still pretty warm. Like I said, midsummer. Come fall, when we get in the air where everybody's hitting their glory numbers, that car is going to absolutely move, and I cannot wait. Plus, we're still full weight like I talked about in the video, so I'm thinking maybe carbon fiber drive shaft, a few things. I don't want to turn that car into a full-fledged drag car because it's a street car. That's what I got it for. I didn't get it to build a full-fledged drag car. Even though I do like going out and drag racing with it, it's still my street car. But anyway, guys, I don't want to hold you up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.